My dear students, it is the time of infection of coronavirus in all world, as every institution is closed due to infection of coronavirus COVID-19. So the government has decided to teach the students online classes. Now I want to give you some explanation about the narration. As I have given you some basic knowledge about this topic in the previous day, today I explain that to change the sentence from direct speech to indirect speech in the learning topic is narration. Before learning this topic, a student should have the knowledge of tenses, pronoun, and many other parts of speeches. As I have taught you in the previous classes, the introduction of direct and indirect speech, verbally I had given you some simple rules about changing from direct speech to indirect speech. So, today you have to prepare yourself to write down in your notebook the rules I shall explain to you. Students, as I have taught you that you should know the tense. There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, and future tense. But every tense has four parts: indefinite, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. In reported speech, it has been given in different type of sentences, in different type of tense. If reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of reported speech should not be changed. But if the reporting verb is in past tense, then we should change the tense of the reported speech in its past tense, as the sentence is given in present tense. The linking verb is, am, are. Then we should change it into was and were. If the verb of the reported speech is can, may, then we should change it could and might. As the reported speech is in present indefinite tense, then we should change it into past indefinite tense. If it is in present continuous tense, we should change it in past continuous tense. If it is present perfect tense, we should change it in past perfect tense. If it is present perfect continuous tense, we should change it past perfect continuous tense. If the reported speech is in past tense, means past indefinite tense, we should change it in past perfect tense. If it is in past continuous tense, we should change it in past perfect continuous tense. In this topic, there is a rule that if the reported speech in past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense, so we should not change it into any other tenses. If the reported speech is in future tense, then we should only change it into past tense, that the will is change into would and the shall is changed into should. About tense, there has not been changes in future tense. Only will is changed into would and shall is changed into should. The reported speech is a universal truth. Then it shall, then it should not be changed. If it is the scientific sentence, then it should not be changed. Either the reporting verb in past or present or future tense. There are some rules about changing the pronouns. There are rules about changing the adverbials and demonstratives. The adverbial and demonstratives should change by the given list. It will give you on the blackboard by me, and you should note down, you should note down, you should note down in your notebook. That's all.